as I can show you, I'm about to do a coolant pressure test. So you want to fill the radiator first before you start doing the pressure test, and then I'm going to move on to show you guys the coolant pressure test kit that I use to do my pressure test in the system to see if there's any leak throughout the cooling system. It's very simple, and then you guys, it would expose wherever there's a leak at any point. Alright, so just stay tuned and I will keep you guys informed. Alright, so what we got here now is a coolant system adapter set. This is the master set made by Bluepoint. I'm going to show you guys how to use this kit to do a pressure test to the cooling system to check for any leaks. So most of the time, this chart right here, as you can see, has all the numbers, where it is, and what type of different fittings for all makes and models of cars. And if you look on the back side of it, as you can see here, you have every car has an adapter. You can look at the adapter and then look at it right here, and then the numbers itemize where it's located, and everything is in order, as you can see on my kit. So what I do, I already know what I need. I just need, this is the pump. I'm going to need the pump, because this is just a regular large cap radiator. Alright, so standardized cap. So this, you just supposed to fill it with coolant. I already had coolant in there already. So you fill it with coolant, and then you get this screwed onto it until it locks, just like you would put on your radiator cap. Once it locks, you pressurize it. So this has a really bad leak because the pressure is not even going up as fast as I'm pumping. So as you can hear that leak. So as you can see, it's not holding the pressure. So you know for sure the system is leaking. It's no good. So we just have to find where the leak is located. Alright, as you guys can see with the pressure test, where it's leaking, and that's from the water pump. So it's leaking very badly from the water pump. I don't know if you guys can see it as well as I can with the glasses, with the camera. So as you can see right there, this thing needs a water pump. Yeah, this thing is pouring out of it. It's really bad. Really, really bad. Okay. Okay, so that's the end of me showing you guys how to use the pressure tester. And this is on a Jeep Wrangler. As I showed you guys earlier on this Jeep Wrangler, it also has a blown head gasket. So it's good to invest in a master kit. You can find other ones cheaper than the Bluepoint brand. I like the Bluepoint brand preferably because to me it's very reliable. The only difference is mine's a little mixing pieces. Don't judge me. It works. So I have a Matco pump with Bluepoint fittings. You know, don't ask me how I got it like that, but that's what I have and it works. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my page and let me know what you think. Feedbacks, I love to read your comments. Alright, thank you guys.